much, nothing crazy, but just a little bit.
Hi, this is Matt Getter with Sherlock Home Inspections. Phone number is 971-212-7481. Website address is yourinspectionneeds.com. Today's date is Tuesday, September 13th, 2022. The address we're inspecting today is 16819 Southwest Birdsong Street, Beaverton, Oregon, 97007. We are about to perform a video inspection of the property's main sewer line through the front yard exterior cleanout. The equipment being used today is the Rigid Sea Snake. This is one of the best sewer cameras in the market today. Before we begin this video inspection, it has been noted that some sewer pipes made out of clay, concrete, cast iron, asbestos, and woodwork may be in good working order. It may never have had a clogged sewer backup before. However, due to real estate transactions, attorneys, and lawsuits, Sherlock Home Inspection must recommend the following to meet the current codes. All sewer pipes should be watertight, mended cast iron, ABS, 3034, or HDPE pipe with all appropriate fittings and couplers. All sewer pipes should be free from breaks, offsets, separations, tree roots, bellies, and party sewers. Sherlock Home Inspections recommends replacing any sewer pipe that does not meet these specifications. Here we go. We are in 3-inch ABS plastic piping to start, right underneath the front office window. We are headed towards the street in front of the house. We're running some water to ensure that our pipe is watertight and is going to remain watertight throughout this inspection. All of the joints, junctions in the pipe appear to be glued and watertight, at least the ones that we've seen so far. So immediately we're going to start diving into the ground, and here we are pulling out of that dive. So some pretty good velocity moving through this pipe right from the get-go. And then we're going to transition. So it's like we enter the pipe and we go a couple of feet and then we just dive straight down in the ground for a little bit. But at 11 feet we're going to transition. So this signifies a couple of things. It signifies transitioning pipe size, 3-inch pipe into 4-inch pipe, ABS plastic into 3034 plastic, and then lastly we're transitioning into a branch off the city lateral piping. And even though we enter into city lateral piping, technically all of this will be buyer owner responsibility throughout the entire length. And through about the first 30 feet, everything is moving pretty quickly through this pipe. We're going to reach the lateral at 35 feet. So we started in ABS, we transitioned to 3034, and we dropped in the city lateral at around 35 feet. Overall condition of the pipe appears to be in working condition and passes inspection. We're going to turn off the water and the microphone. We're going to drain everything out. We're going to look at the pipe one more time in reverse. But unless we see something significantly different on the pullback, again, the overall condition of the pipe appears to be in good working condition.